thought I'd do a short video of making a rivet out of some 1/4 inch round stock. I don't know what this tool is. It came in a toolbox from like an estate sale, just a bunch of random stuff in it. But it works very well for making rivet headers, so I just need to weld a collar or flange, like on this side and this side, just like a piece of angle iron or something, so that it sits in the vise so that it doesn't sink down as I hammer it. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. But for now, I'll just get as many hits as I can until I run out of room, and then flip it over and do it again. The bar's getting kind of short on me. And it's also got like this, it's already got the chamfered edges, so that's nice. Even though, anywho, so that's what I'm doing today. And actually, I probably could get it done a lot faster if this wasn't falling down in the jaws when I hammered, because if it stayed up and I could keep hammering on it, then I could probably get it done in 1 or 2 heats. It is what it is, though. Also, this bar is a lot shorter than the others I started